Are you looking to get out there and have a great cocktail this weekend? Well, let's head out. We've got all kinds of events, including live music, so let's go see what we got. Do you need to relax more? Well, check out our amazing coloring book and you could have a more beautiful day. Check the link in the description. Hello, local Terrians. Welcome back. We're here for September 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. That is your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday coming up, and we've got your local love report. All right, guys, we got some great stuff going on, so let's get into this weekend and see what kind of great things you could be out there getting into. And, of course, we'll tell you how to get even more great events, so make sure you stay tuned and watch the whole video. All right, guys, Friday, 9 a.m. Fanboy Expo at Hyatt Regency Orlando. $10 and up will get you into this amazing event going on until September 4th. 10 a.m. Watercolor Online Workshop, Bird of Paradise Edition. And it is online. We're going to print that link down in the description. You can go online and learn how to paint these beautiful flowers. 12 p.m. Labor Day weekend celebration at Promenade at Sunset Walk. This free event is going to be a great time to get out and show them what you're doing this Labor Day and have a little fun out there in Margaritaville. 6 p.m. Makers FX Soft Arts Guild at Makers FX Makerspace. Make sure you check it out. If you're a maker of anything, these maker spaces are amazing. You want to get out there, see what there is. They give you the space, they give you the tools. Come on out and enjoy making everything amazing. 6 p.m. Australian star Catherine Britt in Orlando at Temecula Arts Foundation. 7 p.m. Classic Albums Live, Queen, News of the World at Hard Rock Live. $18 to $28, and you can come out and enjoy celebrating Queen. 8 p.m. Composer Celebration Series, Stephen Schwartz at Breakthrough Theater Company. 8 p.m. King Grinchwitz and the Campus Creeps. Mercy Mercy, the Creepy Tikis, all playing live at Will's Pub. $12 to $15 to come out and enjoy spending some time with some amazing local musicians right here in your city. 8 p.m. Dance in Orlando, Swing Dance at the Zebra Room. 9 p.m. Labor Day weekend at Rain Altamont. All right, guys. Well, that is everything for Friday. So make sure that you get out there and check out some of the other great things going on in your city. Want more great events, not just on the weekend, but every single day? Then come on over to our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page, where every single day we do pin a new event post to the top of the page. And it is going to have events for every hour of the day, including special art exhibits where you can get your happy hour specials and things like that. So ring that bell, because we do this every week, and come back and check us out every single time we do this video, and check into some of our other great stuff too. All right, guys, you know what that means. It's time for some heat, baby. Saturday. 7:30 a.m. Grand Labor Day 5K at the Ritz-Carlton Orlando at Grand Lakes. 9 a.m. Playlist Live at Marriott World Center. $80 and up, and this will be going on until September 4th. Come on out and enjoy an amazing playlist live. You know, they always have the most amazing stuff going on at this great event, so don't miss it this year. 10 a.m. Pioneer Village Saturday guided tours at Pioneer Village at Shingle Creek. Come on out and learn how things used to be here in Florida. 12 p.m. on Saturday, Labor Day weekend celebration at Promenade at Sunset Walk. All right, guys, and it continues. Come on out and enjoy amazing fun, live music, lots of great things going on. You do not want to miss it. 12 p.m. Rum Punch and Brunch at DeJunction Island Bar and Restaurant. $5 to $10, and you can come in and get your brunch on. 1 p.m. on Saturday, 2D Miniature Workshop at Art and History Museums of Mainland. Alrighty, guys, if you're looking for any kind of arts and crafts, you want to keep an eye on the Arts and History Museums of Maitland's website. They always have workshops of all different types, so make sure you check it out. 1:30 Labor Day weekend poolside at JW Marriott Orlando Grand Lakes. All right, guys, jump in that pool, enjoy a little Labor Day fun. 4 p.m. Favo Art Market and School Supply Drive at Favo Faith Arts Village Orlando. Guys, this place has the most amazing art you've ever seen. So many different studios and artists that do their work there. And of course, we want to get out there and support getting some school supplies for this area. So make sure you check it out for yourself. 6 p.m. Dragged Under, Rivals, Araya, the Seafloor Cinema at the Haven Lounge. $15 to get in and rock your socks off. 8 p.m. on Saturday, the Speed Spirits, Descent, Zapachi, Unvarnished, playing live at Uncle Lou's. All right, guys, that's going to bring us into our next little bout of the weekend, Sunday. Uncorked at Harriet's Orlando Ballet Center. Going on now until September 30th. Come on out and get a little ballet in your life. 8 a.m. Community Garage Sale at St. Matthew's Tavern. All right, guys, if it's like most things in St. Matthew's, it ain't going to be like every other sale. So come on out and enjoy and, belly up to the bar when you get a chance to. 10 a.m. Gilbert Solanas, Among the Chaos at Albin Polasak Museum and Sculpture Garden. $0 to $12 can get you into this amazing art exhibit, and it's going to be going on until December 4th. 10 a.m. DIY Paint and Sip Texturized Double Painting at Spill Wine Bar. 11 a.m. on Sunday, Toy and Comic Con at Avanti Palms Resort and Conference Center. If you're into toys and collectibles, you definitely want to find yourself there this weekend. 12 p.m. Uncomfortable Brunch is back, and it's going to be Shame at Enzian Theater. Come on out for the most uncomfortable brunch you've ever been to, but it'll be worth it. 4 p.m. Star Trek II, The Wrath of Khan 40th anniversary, going on at various locations, $13.38 up to $14.91. For details, times, and tickets, we're going to put that link down in the description so that you can go check out where it's playing near you. 6:30 p.m. Halloween Horror Nights at Universal Studios Orlando. It's here, guys. $73.99 and up on select dates, going on now until October 31st. Come on out and get your scare on. 8 p.m. Jacuzzi Boys, Vicious Dreams. Tight jeans at Will's Pub, $10 to $12. You can come hobnob with some amazing local talent. And last but not least, for your Sunday night, 9 p.m., Labor Day Spectacular Fireworks at JW Marriott Orlando in Grand Lakes. Guys, what are you planning to do for your Labor Day? Well, if you need even more, don't forget to check out that Facebook page for our Orlando entertainment page there for Local Love. You don't want to miss out on that. We also have some other great videos coming your way, so make sure you stay tuned. And of course, as always, we appreciate you guys here. Thank you for tuning in. If you've got an event or something going on, maybe you're musicians or comedians or, in general, just have an idea about great events going on in town. Maybe you have your own business. Whatever it is, make sure you drop us a little information on that, and we'll be happy to promote you as well. So make sure you get out there, find something delicious, maybe something amazing, and in general, explore your city. Guys, drop us a comment. Let us know what you think about what we're doing. And other than that, guys, here's where you can find us on all of our platforms. We hope to see you there. Make sure you definitely come in and stop in over on TikTok and say hi to me. And peace. We'll catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.